Hi, how are you? Welcome back. My name's Doone. Hope you're happy and healthy. Today's video is going to be about NYX. So I was lucky enough to be sent a few products. I was sent a really nice card from the NYX team with a nice little note. My thanks to the team at NYX for sending that over. In the package, there's a couple of little items. So we have 3 lip products. We also have 3 eye products. You can use these also on your eyes. Some of the colours will stain, but you can really use these ones all over your body as well. I personally love NYX. I've been using them since they've been available here in Australia, so a long time. I especially use their white or their milk jumbo eye pencils a lot. I use maybe 10 of these a year. I find because they are so pigmented when it comes to the white that I use them for my special effects, and they give me a really good effect if I need to highlight certain areas, if I need to, you know, whiten brighten certain areas. Then that jumbo pencil is really good. With these jumbo pencils, you are actually able to sharpen them, so they're not winding, they're not a retractable. You can get one of those fat pencil sharpeners and you can sharpen them down. The plastic is quite soft and it's very easy to sharpen. So I've been sent the milk, that will come in handy. I've been sent strawberry milk, which is a really beautiful pearly pink, and I've also been sent iced mocha, which is a golden brown, so definitely a mocha, which is also beautiful colour. So I was also sent 3 of the lip products. They are all soft matte metallics. We have a beautiful purple, really rich purple in Havana, a cherry red in Madrid, and this beautiful burgundy in Budapest. Is it? Yeah, in Budapest. So I already have a lot of my own NYX products as well, so I will be incorporating those into this video. I've got the correctors that I will be using on my lid as a primer. I've got the Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette that we'll be using today. I've also got a couple of glitters, but I won't be using the glitters today. But I've also got this Shimmer Down pigment, which is really beautiful. I think I might use that one today. And I've also got this eyeshadow base in white. It's freaking fantastic. I use this again for my special effects as well, because it is so pigmented. But you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually got a lot of other colours in there as well. I've accidentally mixed them up a little bit. It should be easy enough to clean though. Don't mind my part. That's my attempt at parting my hair down the middle while I'm not watching what I'm doing. Doing my hair without watching what I'm doing, and then looking up and seeing that middle is not the middle. We're just starting with the concealer or the corrector in 01. I'm going to use it as an eye primer. So we'll just put that. Now my eyes aren't veiny at all. They're not really red, they're not dark. So I don't need a lot when it comes to primer. Now, I don't want my colours too bright. Just hopefully going to do something subtle. So I will set that just with some of the Laura Mercier Translucent and a giant ass brush. May as well do the whole lid at once. I don't know what shades to use. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do pink, green, yellow, with blue. So I'm going to start with this bright pink shade. Just going to pack that on. So I've just packed that all across my lid. It has stuck really well to that concealer. There's no kickback and there's no fallout. Oh, there is actually a little bit of fallout right in the corner, the inner corner. So I'm just going to take that up a little bit higher into the crease. And with another brush, I'm just going to dip into this lighter shade here, and I'm just going to buff this out. So that blended out really nicely. I'm going to take it out here a little bit. I've just jumped over to the other eye. I've packed on that pink and now I'm just buffing it out, taking it all the way in. So now I'm going to put a bit of the blue and then a bit of the green and a bit of the yellow. So just blue, green, yellow across my lower lash line. I'm putting that quite low as well into my socket. Just going to blend that out a little bit. Bit of the green. Might mix those two greens together actually. And now lastly for that yellow. It's not as pigmented as I would like. I might mix it with some orange actually. Slightly better. Now I'm going to use the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Strawberry Milk on my lid. It's just on, I can't get the lid off. There we go. It's on the inner. Let's give it a bit of a shimmer effect. Quite pretty. Putting a bit of highlighter. I'm actually going to use this Soft Matte Metallic in Budapest as a liquid liner. So I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. So I just created a small wing with the liner, or with the lipstick, sorry. It's really easy to work with. And it's a really nice burgundy shade as well. There's this buzzing noise outside, and at first I thought it was a kid with one of those horns that they used to blow at the soccer that they banned, and then it sounds like a wasp. It sounds like a bug trying to get in. And so I was freaked out for a second, thinking that it was trying to pop in the window. And now I think it's an electric, a remote control car going up and down the street. It only lasts for a couple of seconds though. It's freaking me out, because I don't want it to be a wasp. I'm just going to pop some lashes on. These ones are from Lash Republic and they're in style Red Carpet Raven. And I love them because they have a clear lash band. So if you have a little bit of eyeliner on and you stuff up putting your lashes on, as I do every single time, it doesn't really matter because you can't see the band anyway. Fantastic. So I'm also going to add some of that milk jumbo stick, or the strawberry milk, sorry, as a highlighter to my upper lip. And push that out a little bit. So we've now got lashes on, lips on. What do we think? Mostly using the NYX products. Looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. Camera doesn't do it justice. It's really bright in person, but it's not coming across that way on camera. It's quite bright. So there's no filter on this. So you can see colours, shades. It's a very pretty palette. They are very, very nice products. So that was using the Ultimate palette. That was using the Strawberry Milk Jumbo Pencil as well. And we also used the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Budapest as liner. It went on really easily, it just glides on. I love it, I love this brand. Oh, we also used the concealer as eyeshadow primer, which again, it works fantastic. It doesn't crease. I did set it though, but it worked really well. I love these products. I love this brand. It's fantastic. I will always use this brand. They're affordable. They're fantastic. They're easy to use, easy to blend. They have so many products, absolutely so many products. One thing I forgot to do was set. And I love this one, especially the dewy finish, but they do have a matte finish as well. And these are, both of those are definitely one of my favorite setting sprays as well. So, and again, everything in the line is really, really affordable. It's dry. I would definitely recommend going and having a look if you're after some affordable, really good quality makeup. They're available in Priceline and Target in Australia. I'm not sure where else they're available around the world, but definitely Priceline and Target. I do know that most of the time when I go in it, especially into Target, to have a look at their range of what they've got available, it's mostly unstocked, or it's a little bit hard to get as it is quite popular. I've got the feeling that as soon as they restock it, it just goes straight away. So my recommendation would be, if you do like a product, if you've tried it before and you know that you like a product, buy it online. At least that way you know that you will get it, you know that it's available. But by all means, if you know you're in Target, go have a look and see if they're there. But yeah, these are fantastic products. I definitely would recommend them. I know they have a neutral palette that I'd love to try. I will try one day. And I'll definitely give these glitters and pigments a go as well. But for today, just gone for a really bright eye. Just hopefully going to do something subtle. I really like it. It's quite dark and horrible outside, so I really like the brightness of it. So thanks to the guys at NYX for sending out that goodie bag for me. I will list all the products that I have used today, including the lashes, lips. I'll list it all below. If you have watched my other videos, you will notice that the sound and the lighting on this one and the last one are way better quality. I am learning as I go, so the videos from here will only get better. Again, I will do some special effects when I can. So I do have one planned for the next video, so hopefully we will be able to do that very soon. But please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, watch my other videos if you like, jump on my Instagram to see what else I'm about, have a look at some of my other creations that I have on Instagram, and feel free to follow me there. It would be greatly appreciated. But for today, thanks for stopping by, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.